Hello guys, on today's video I'm gonna change my iPhone's battery. As you see, it is perfectly working and everything. So here on here you can see my battery's maximum capacity and it's very bad. But here I have the replacement battery. It's a third party battery. I'm gonna change the battery myself. We have to first turn off the iPhone. Quick reminder to every technician that has been through an iPhone, please put the fucking screw on, because I was just opening this and this thing came loose. Oh my fucking god. Yeah, I can see it is missing two screws right here. And yeah, I think that is where this thing came off. Like, please technician, put the fucking screws in. Don't forget about it. You stupid. Okay, so I have taken the battery off. Here's the original battery. Now we're gonna install this one with some of this glue on here and here and here and a little bit on here. There we go. Now we're gonna put the battery on. Okay, so I got everything plugged in. You're gonna see if it says it's 100% of capacity. Yes, maximum capacity 100. Okay, so the replacement has been complete. And just like that, I'm gonna see if it charges. There we go, it is charging. And just like that, I will no longer have the battery issue I was having. And we're gonna save this battery for another project, because we don't discard working batteries.